I can hear the cold north winds blowing wild and strong. I can hear a freight train whistle whining low and long. It's just sounds of loneliness that reminds me that she's gone. I can hear a throbbing redbreast sing a sad refrain. I can hear the sound of raindrops on my window pane. It's just sounds of loneliness that reminds me that she's gone. I can hear her little footsteps live within my heart. I can hear her sweet lips saying that we'll never part. It's just sounds of loneliness that reminds me that she's gone. This wine is made for drinking, and I'm gonna drink it down. This wine is made for drinking, so pour me one more round. Her love for me is on the rocks, and that's why I'm getting stoned. She filled my house with emptiness, so I made this bar my home. 'Cause ain't no life to live like this, but I sure can live it high. This wine is made for drinking, so let me drink till I'm dry. This wine is made for drinking, and I'm gonna drink it down. This wine is made for drinking, so pour me one more round. My hurt don't hurt, my pain don't pain, as long as my mind don't faint. But heartache started, teardrops start if I set aside my drink. If she'd come back then I could leave this lonely crowded cafe. This wine is made for drinking, so let me drink my life away. This wine is made for drinking, and I'm gonna drink it down. This wine is made for drinking, so pour me one more round. This wine is made for drinking, and I'm gonna drink it down. This wine is made for drinking, so pour me one more round.